If you ever travel to a foreign country for a holiday or work purposes, you may have needed to exchange your money for that country's foreign currency. If so, you've already participated in Forex trading.
Forex is the short form for foreign exchange, and this video explains to you what Forex is all about. Recall our earlier example of traveling to another country. Well, Forex is a bit more than that, changing money when you go for a holiday. For example, companies buy goods from other countries, otherwise known as international trade. Now, in order to obtain the local currency, just like us when going on a holiday, they need to go out to the market to make the exchange. The difference is that these companies will exchange huge amounts since business deals are usually done in big amounts. Such business transactions will actually move the price of that currency because the demand for that currency will increase. This is how it works when currencies are exchanged. They have a certain price that the currency is trading at, and that price is determined by the law of supply and demand. If there are many people or companies that want to change euros into dollars, the price of the dollar will rise against the euro, and so the exchange rate will change. If you're enjoying this content, do us a favor and hit that thumbs up button and smash that subscribe button. It would mean a lot to us. We also have a free day trading guide to help you get started in trading Forex. You can find the link in the description below. Moving on, let's use an everyday example to explain how you can actually profit from this. Suppose you live in Europe and went to the United States for a holiday. You convert your 500 euros into US dollars at the current rate of $1.40 for every euro. This means that you will receive 700 US dollars. You go on to your holiday and choose to swipe your credit card instead of spending your US dollars. When you return, you still got your 700 US dollars, but the exchange rate has moved from $1.30 for every euro. You convert your money and get back $538 instead, a profit of $38. This is essentially how we trade in the Forex market. We buy or sell a certain amount of a currency, hold on to it and wait for the exchange rate to move. Along the way, we decide when is the right time to buy and sell. This is what we teach in our YouTube channel, where we cover strategies to help you determine the right time to buy or sell. It is a useful skill to learn, even if you do not intend to trade Forex. As you can imagine, changing money at a money changer and earning a bit of money on your holiday is not really a practical approach to trading currencies. The spreads offered by money changers are usually pretty wide, and you will not be able to capitalize on the short-term fluctuations of the currency. Fortunately, there is an easier way to do this without the hassle of making a trip down to the money changer whenever you wish to trade. You can trade currencies through Forex brokers, which allow you to exchange currencies throughout the day and take advantage of the constantly fluctuating exchange rates. Trading Forex with a broker has many benefits, and you can trade Forex in the comfort of your home or anywhere where you have an internet connection. One such benefit is leverage, the ability to hold a sizable position with a small amount of capital. Since the movements of the currencies can be quite small, leverage is almost necessary to make any decent profits from the movement. You, therefore, do not need a huge capital to get started, and is excellent for people looking to start making a side income while working a full-time job. The Forex market operates 5 days a week, 24 hours a day, and never sleeps, allowing you to weave Forex trading into your schedule easily. Of course, it will require some learning until you become profitable, but that's exactly what our channel is designed to do. If you take some time to study the lessons on our YouTube, you will be able to learn the basics of Forex trading. Do check out our free day trading guide and free bonuses in the description. Our free bonuses are designed to get you started and provide you with everything you need to know in order to kickstart your trading journey.